Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. It is pandemic that is creating the pressure, that is mounting pressure, killing people, infecting people. It might be well in your minds that the health infrastructure of those countries which are highly developed, like America and Italy, have collapsed almost, and they have surrendered before this deadly virus. Now, wise attempt is to remain inside your homes, stick to the book so that you can crack the coming examinations with ease, and also can defeat this COVID 19 infection that is putting life really in danger. Dear students, one more thing is there that the economic or the financial stability of India is being threatened by this deadly virus. So you have to minimize your expenditures because what would happen tomorrow it can't be predicted. And today we are dealing with the disaster management, that is class 10th subject social science faculty. Disaster management is their one of the faculty part, social science part. So we are dealing with today the disaster and disaster management. First of all, you need to know what is a disaster. Disaster is a sudden occurring or disruption that over a short period or a long period of time that cause widespread loss to the humans, to the economy, to the human resources, to the environment. And these disasters they come sometimes suddenly and cause huge losses to life, huge losses to property, huge losses to resource. For example, when tsunami or a floods hit any part of the world, this is the disaster. And for example, a few years ago, in 2005, it was a earthquake of an high magnitude that destroyed property in millions, worth in billions, and people lost lives in millions. This is the disaster. So tsunami, earthquakes, landslides, and floods, etc., are the disasters. Once the disaster occur, they cause life, loss to the life, loss to the human property, and it becomes then necessary to manage these things. When we are managing disaster, how to tackle the disaster after it hits a particular place, the phenomenon is called the disaster management. So, one disaster management is a technique after the disaster to handle, to rehabilitate the people that meet with these disasters. For example, when floods come, they destroy houses, they destroy human properties, they destroy lives, and disaster management means to how to manage this disaster after this occurs. In most of states, you must have watched the disasters. For example, gas tragedy of Bhopal in 1984, and earthquake of 2005, and tsunamis hit the coastal areas or the island countries. Once this disaster occur, the management becomes then the difficult task. So here is the separate branch of in the government, that is a ministry is dealing with it, that is called the Ministry of Disaster Management. So after disaster, when the people are being rehabilitated, uh, so that they will survive ahead smoothly, this whole process called disaster management. So I'm repeating the things for you. Dear students, first of all, you need to know what is a disaster. Disaster is a sudden disruption caused over a short period of time or a long period of time that cause widespread damage to the property, human lives, economy, and the environment. So, earthquake like tsunamis, floods, these can be considered as the disasters, and they hit any particular area or any particular country suddenly. And after that, when we manage this disaster, so that the people get rehabilitated once again after the disaster. This is called the disaster management. Dear students, I am telling you that there is a separate branch of ministry in India, that is a Ministry of Disaster Management, and also in state government there are separate ministry for it who looks these disasters when they happen, and they manage the people then after the disasters. So this is all about what the disaster is and how we manage these disaster. This only a flashes of about the disaster management. Dear students, in a detailed explanation, mm, we can't in a detailed explanation. I can't put the things here because we are resting on 2G. The network is not supporting me to deliver here for a long duration of time, but better is to see these things on your available disaster management book. When any sort of confusion or query strikes your mind, you may call me. You can call me on my number that's already in your position 7006671106, or WhatsApp me on the same number. And when you post your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, within short duration of time, your query or confusion shall be cleared. Before doing the class, once again, I am repeating the things. Disaster is a sudden disruption occur over a short period of time or a long period of time, causing widespread damage to the human property, human lives, economy, and environment. Dear students, when disasters occur in the form of earthquakes, in the form of landslides, in the form of tsunamis, then the disaster management comes in, that we have to manage this disaster, we have to rehabilitate the people that are hit by the disaster. In India, in the rest of the countries also there is a separate ministry for this disaster management, so that after disaster people will sustain ahead. This is all about this disaster management in brief. I hope you would see the things on your available books also. And before leaving, once again, I am advising you to concentrate on self studies and remain inside your home. Stick to the book so that you can crack the coming examinations with ease and also can defeat the COVID-19 infection. Thanks. Be blessed.